Oh, hi. Good morning, guys. Well, today I actually have an unboxing video for you. So we are going to go ahead and unbox our, BC250 rig that we were actually talking with our boy Overboard right before he had actually passed. So rest in peace, my good buddy. We'll miss and love you tons. But today we are going to unbox this, get it up, and well, we can't get it rolling yet because, well, we are waiting on drives. They did not show up yet. Seller hadn't even shipped them out yet. As of now, they are officially on the way, but as of recording this video, they are not. So let's go ahead and get into unboxing this beautiful, beautiful rig of a BC250. Let's go. Alright, guys, so we are here. We got ourselves a rig, BC250s. Been seeing a lot of these, with our boy Overboard Tech. She's no longer with us. Rest in peace, my dude. We love and miss you. Say hi to Savage for us. But we've also seen these on our boy Son of a Tech. Sorry for the kids' toys in the background over here. Jeez, this is intense. They really packed this thing in here, huh? I used to work in a shipping department, and we used to use this same stuff. And this stuff is like so fun to use. You just put it in this bag, and it sprays out as a liquid, and it foams up, and you just seal it up and pack it in, and it fills the whole thing to like the shape of what you want it. By far, one of the best ways to pack something. This piece is wedged in because it looks like it got out and melted into the other one. There we go. Jeez. So it looks like we got some 120 power connectors, even though we will not be using this on 120. Because the well house is 240. What we got down here? Oh, cool. We get rails. It's a nice little touch. Is there anything else in here? Does not look like it, but here it is, guys. Now let's see if we can just get in a little closer. All right, so we even went ahead and moved y'all just a bit closer, just so that way we can see this a bit better. And this screw is there it goes. Boom. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And now we do have drives for each one of these. They're all on their way. I do have one that is here because I bought that one new off of Amazon. The rest I got used off of eBay and was able to score 11 of them for about 49 bucks for 128 gig M.2 NVMe drives. And then I have one that I bought for about $13 for this one, or any of them. Same exact one. It's just new versus used. And, literally a quarter of the cost for one that I paid 49 bucks for 11. So that's the FA deal. I did end up picking up this unit for just under $700 shipped to my door. It was $640 before shipping and taxes. Shipping was free, but we do have online sales tax here in Oklahoma, so that like raked up the price to just about 700 bucks. Does have two 2,000 or 1,000 watt power supplies, or what are they? 1,200 watt power supplies. So there's two of these. If you do run these on 110 though, you end up only getting 1,000 watts. I'm not mistaken. Yeah, if you use on 110, you only get 1,000 watts out of each. So you'll only be capable of 2,000 watts. So mining this on like Warthog, because Warthog uses the CPU and the GPU, because there's 16 gigabytes of RAM per blade, but that's 8 for the CPU and 8 for the GPU. But running this on 240, you get the full 2,400 watts, which gives you that extra like room, right? So has a slot for two more power supplies if we so wanted. So from what I know, these things are stupid loud. What I would love to know is how loud it'll be in the well house. And I've heard switching these fans out, or not switching them, but flipping them, to where right now the orientation is the air flows this way. They say to flip it to where the air flows this way, or where the air comes in this side and then comes out this side. Also makes sense. But the loud part is because of these honeycomb grills on the side. And I mean, technically you could just like cut them off, but you lose some structural integrity. I do want to pull one of these bad boys out though and see what we're working with here. My thumb is still numb. We have a push weed eater that I've been brush hogging with, and I don't know if I was like pinched a nerve somewhere in my thumb, but it is like, it tingles. The entire thumb is numb. All right, and there we go. So there is the two slots. So these two slots actually slot in down here into the board, and then this you can power by itself if you just want to run it, but you have to like force a lot of air through this thing in order to run it. Each one is powered with a Ethernet port, as well as 4 USB ports. 2 are USB 2.0, 2 of them are USB 3.0s, as well as a HDMI jack. So pretty cool little devices. There's our slot for our M2 drive, which is where we'll be running. We'll be running 128 gigabytes, which is like way more than what you probably actually need, to be honest, but it is what we got, right? And they just kind of slide right in there. There's not much, they're not very hard to get out once they get out, and they just kind of slide right back into place, and that's it. So let's get to the next part of this video, and we will be getting all of our drives installed. So this is really just the unboxing video. I still have to wait for my drives to come in, which will take hopefully by the weekend. they got delayed once and the person hasn't shipped them yet. So fingers crossed. They have the label, but nothing has been shipped yet as of this morning. So we shall see. So let's go ahead and get these drives installed so that we can get booted up. And well, in this video, let me know, guys, should we run HiveOS or should we run MMPOS? I've heard we can run these on MMPOS, so I'd be interested to know if we should do that, or should we run it with Hive since we already have a Hive account. But running this puts us way over our free tier, so we no longer will have the free tier and we'll have to start paying for Hive, which is 50 cents per blade. So $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, yeah. $6 a month to run this on Hive. So yeah, let me know. Put your comments down below. Let me know, should we run this thing in HiveOS or should we go with MMPOS and give it a shot? Catch you on the flip side, guys. Much love. Peace out. Remember, stay savage, man. Catch you on the next one. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know time when we go live here and post videos on the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. Peace.